can and some napkins. Come and see what I'm going to do with these. Welcome on in to the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicki. Let's jump right in and get started. All right, so we're going to take our can, and this is just a can. Actually, I had green beans. I had canned green beans, and I've got some napkins that I've had just sitting in my stash. I think we're going to go, we might go with this. Oh, I kind of really want to do this one. So options. Obviously, this napkin is kind of nice because it goes long ways. It actually fits, I mean, exactly on our can. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not like really good about doing stripes. And so if I can use a napkin instead of doing stripes, I totally will do that. This one would look really good like this. But we're not going to do that one. I think we're going to do this one. And the reason I decided I want to do this one is I kind of like the fact this one has a little truck on it. And that's kind of cute. And what we're going to do is actually go all the way around, and we'll have the truck on one side and the flag on the other. So you can kind of do a double-sided, or it can actually, you know, it can just, we could cut off the truck and do the other one of these. Just gonna take some tacky glue. I learned this trick from watching other people, just kind of learn as you go kind of thing. A little dab on your finger and you get sticky, right? If you grab your piece, look at that. It works every time. It's really awesome. This is a 2-ply, and you want to get your plies separated because otherwise when you're Mod Podging, all you're going to be doing is Mod Podging the back piece and not both pieces together, and then it's going to peel away. So there you go. Now, if I want this to be a brighter white, I would paint this because that's what's going to show up through your napkin, because these are kind of very sheer, very see-through. Except I really don't want, I want it to be a little darker. I'm okay with the metal being on the other side, and so we're going to leave it like that. We're going to start with the truck and end with the flag, because I want the flag part to kind of come overlap our truck part. All right, so we're going to, like I said, start with the truck. We're just going to use the regular Mod Podge, you know. Now I've got this overhang. It doesn't completely cover, so we're just, and there's a little bit up here because the napkin got a little off. We're just going to take our sandpaper, and that's going to clean it right up. And then we'll just do the same with the bottom. Right, nice clean finish. And you could put felt on the bottom of this, would be kind of a nice finish. But I like how that looks though. So we've got the truck on the one side, if that's what we want to see, or we've got the little flag on the other side. Kind of, you know, you're done from here at this point. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and finish mine off with some foam. Just good old, this is some extra foam that I had. I use a paring knife. Just now we got our foam in here. We just need some greens. Now I'm going to use these greens. Now these have where it looks like it's kind of like frosty or whatever. So I'm going to actually, we're going to turn these around on this project so that they go like this. So, and then I've got some of this juniper. Just stick it down in here. And by using this floral foam, like I can take it out if I don't like it, and we can put different greens in. But that looks good and full. I like that. I've got some of these awesome little fabric stars. These are so stinking cute. Go back. There is a video for these little guys, and super easy. I'm just taking a skewer, and you can get those at like the grocery store, whatever. You know, they're super cheap. Or you could do like a small dowel, would also work as well. If you want to paint your, you know, you can do that too. I'm not going to paint mine. Okay, so we got all those stars in there. You can still tell that there is some white. You can still see the foam. We just take, you know, a little bit of Spanish moss this way, like I said, or we could switch it around, and you can do a front and a back, so you can see your little truck. But that's basically it. You can add little, if you want little bows on your stars, you know, whatever you want to do. Super cute, super quick, super easy. This would make a great outdoor little centerpiece for outside. I would recommend weighing it down just because it's really lightweight. Other than that, keep on coming back and seeing more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.